Welcome back, guys. Today, we'll get your computer ready by installing Visual Studio and setting up your very first C# project. For this, go to visualstudio.microsoft.com, click on Download Visual Studio, and choose the Community Edition. It's completely free and perfect for learning. Once you start the installer, you'll see a list of workloads. Make sure to check the box for .NET Desktop Development. This gives us everything we need for building and running C# console applications. Then click Install and wait for the setup to complete. When the installation is finished, open Visual Studio. On the Start screen, select Create a new project. Choose Console App. Give your project a name like Hello World. Then click Next and Create. Visual Studio will generate some starter code for you. To run it, simply press the green Run button at the top, or just hit F5. Perfect! Now your development environment is ready, and you've run your first program in C#. In the next video, we'll start learning the basics of the language, beginning with variables and data types. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you won't miss the next part. See you there!